Online business is very easy. All of you can do online business in now times. I am Sudha, business designer, digital entrepreneur and business coach. I am working as a business designer from last 3 years. Now the time is very hard. Unemployment has always been a major issue in our country. But now this time due to COVID-19, our country's economical condition has been very bad. Lots of jobs, businesses and services are completely closed. Millions of people have been jobless in this hard time. But online business industry is growing in this time. Lots of people they understand the value of online income source. So we created a portal where everyone can learn and earn money. Yes, this is Biz Design portal. Mainly we provide three services. First is our business course material. Second, we will provide you complete details about other platforms where you can earn 4,000 to 7,000 income as a commission. We will also help you to join them. And third, income opportunity. You can also call it job, part-time income source or comfortable part-time business. Our motto to provide help people to create their income for own self. Start with low investment and go on high profitable journey with us. So if you want your own comfortable part-time income source, we can provide you lifetime income opportunity. We promise you your earning will always grow with us. So join us and start changing your life. But getting all benefit, you have to join our earning skill package. This earning skill package includes all our learning materials. First is business development course. How to build a high profitable business just like me. We will provide 20 business development videos in this course. Digital product creation, package creation, variety creation, content creation, business model creation are included in this. Second, Biz Designing short course. How to earn from social media. This course will help the student. This course include earning motivational quotes PDF file also. Student can upload earning motivational quotes on their social media profile. Next is earning skill guidance. This is a form of earning creation training. This course include communication and work procedure. This is for who join only for earning and part-time income creation. This is available in Hindi language. This training will help you to generate profitable income. Next is business designing ebook. This business ebook will provide help to beginners who want to start their online business. Is business designing e-structure. This e-structure will help to create variety and passive income. The market value of all these high valuable knowledge is 3,500 rupees. But now this combo package available only 2,100 rupees because due to COVID-19 we want to provide help some people to create their comfortable income source. Please don't hesitate because you are pay for everything like your dresses, accessories, smartphones, gadgets, but they only for satisfaction, not income source. Invest upon skills and learning materials that give you a best earning source. Please understand the difference between liabilities and assets. Liabilities give you short satisfaction, like dresses, accessories, and traveling. But assets give you a better comfortable life, like professional skills and income source. Always use your money to building assets. Earning skill package will give you lots of benefits and earning. First benefit is you can access all our course materials. Second benefit is we will provide you complete information about other platform where you can earn 4,000 to 7,000 income as a commission. And third benefit is you can become our partner and earn 50% commission. This design platform provides you best course material and services in low price. So join earning skill package and start earning at first day. We will always support you and guide you all time. So join us and create your own comfortable income source. Thanks for visiting us.